Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 350e. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo hybrid with 315 horsepower and 413 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, EQ power badging on the side, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear heated seats, GLC 350e 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, a charging port, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, aluminum trim, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Got our different buttons for our cameras right there. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC 350e has 45,566 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 350e, check out feldmanimports.com.